Hey there guys, Nerf Views here, and today we are playing the Nerf N Series Agility Blaster. Okay, so that is our Nerf N Series Agility Blaster, as well as these N1 foam darts. These darts are a bit different because this only works with the N Series blasters from Nerf. On the end of the foam dart, there's like an extra thing in there. I assume this is for extra grip on our barrels or our cylinders. Old foam darts that we get from the blasters doesn't have those. So again, that's what we got. We got the blaster and these 12 N1 foam darts from our box. The Agility Blaster is a slide action blaster with a 6-dart auto advancing cylinder which rotates counterclockwise on the prime. It features an integrated handle on the priming side, this one, which can help in priming the blaster, or maybe it can act as a strap point. So you can put a strap in there or something like that. We also have a single tactical rail under here. And this again comes with a caged handle. So this is not removable here. This is our trigger. Nerf branding. Branding for the Agility up here. We have the number 6 engraved. That's our muzzle here. It is one piece, so there's no attachment point on the muzzle. And you also can see from here the 6 cylinder for our blaster. So it rotates while you are priming and using the blaster. Other side. I kind of like the color scheme. Orange, blue, and white. The priming mechanism is up here, the white part. You can do a prime by grabbing the white part here and pulling back, so that is primed. Or you can use this integrated handle to help with the priming like this. Another special thing on this N series blasters for the darts, they claim that this is more accurate and gives a chance for more speed and distance than the previous foam darts that we are using with our older blasters. So that's a claim from Nerf at least. The blaster is really compact. It's really gonna be somewhat of a side piece to your main blaster. If you are playing a game on your backyard or something like that, this should be a great side piece. I believe that is the idea here. So you can load 6 darts at a time on the cylinder, so you can fire 6 darts in a row. Other than that, there's no other special features or nothing that we have not seen from before. It's just the darts, which I think is a proprietary design for the N Series blasters here. So for included features and attachments, we will just give this a score of 3 out of 5 because we have only one tactical rail, only 12 darts, and nothing else new for our blaster here. So again, that is 3 out of 5 for the N Series Agility Blaster. For the grip, well, I have very large hands and there's a bit of a strain here for my hands gripping our handle here because it is caged. I'm having a hard time fitting my grip on this handle, just a little bit, not too much. You can still firmly handle the blaster and fire with the trigger, but there's just a little bit of strain for larger hands. I'm not really a fan of a cage handle, especially when it's hindering your grip. So for this, we are giving the Nerf N1 Series Agility a score of 3 out of 5. For ammo capacity for our blaster here, we only can load 6 darts at a time, and it only comes with 12 darts. At least there are darts, right? But then I think 6 darts is a bit limited in our opinion, at least. So it's just okay. So let's give the Nerf N1 Series Agility Blaster in terms of ammo capacity a score of 3 out of 5. So in terms of reloading our blaster, the end part of the foam dart coincides with a notch inside there. As you can see, there's a circle at the end of the cylinder pocket here. So you do it like so, manually for each one. So there. And there we go. You fill the 6 darts on our cylinder. Just make sure that it is all the way in there. So at the end of our foam dart, this part here, you will reach the end of the cylinder where it has a notch. So just make sure it's tight and snug in there so that maybe we can achieve the full potential of these foam darts. Okay, so there you go guys with our unboxing and review of the N Series Agility Blaster, which as you can see from our scores, it really performed really well, especially on the accuracy test from our firing test. So that shows you that there's some truth to the claim from Nerf that this is an accurate blaster, because this was really accurate from our firing test. I was really impressed with it. We missed some targets there, but overall the blaster performed really well in terms of the accuracy. So I would say and argue that the best feature on our Nerf N1 series Agility Blaster is the accuracy. Really good and accurate. So there you go guys. Hope you liked our quick unboxing and review of the N Series Agility Blaster. If you have comments and inquiries, please put them all down below. So we would link on our video description a purchase link if ever you wanted to check the Nerf Agility out for yourself. So there you go. Please do not forget to like and comment on our videos. If you haven't subscribed already, please consider subscribing to Abners Reviews. Click the notification bell, select all. You'll get notified once we upload another one of our blaster reviews right here, as well as our usual video uploads. Also follow us on our social media links right here.
You win. Perfect. Hadouken!
That's been it. This is Abners Reviews, and we will catch you guys on the next one.